Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to Itselifestyle. If you are new here, welcome, honey. My name is Erica. My channel is called Itselifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I've been getting a few upgrades around the house, so a lot of things have been lacking, hence the large load of laundry behind me. So I'm trying to kind of catch up on some house things. So this video is going to be a living room clean with me. I want to share a few of the changes in my living room as well as share a few regrets of decor. So if you are interested in some cleaning motivation, then keep watching. I had so many clothes that needed to be washed and folded and hung up and put away. I'm glad I finally did decide to take some time off work and tackle some of the tasks that needed to get done. I'm also watching a little bit of YouTube today. One of my favorite YouTubers to watch is Kristen Alexis. I can relate to her on so many levels. She's a mom. She works in corporate America. She's making a six-figure salary. And she also went back to obtain her MBA, which is on my goals for the upcoming year. So it's women like this that keep me motivated and inspired. And although everyone's journey is a little bit different, it does help to see how other boss moms achieve their goals. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I just want to give you a pan around the room as to what my living room looks like now. Since I had the new chandelier installed, it's looking a little crowded in here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and store my big chair and then take these two accent chairs and place one on this wall and then the other one on the opposite side. So I'm just going to go ahead and prepare the chair to be stored away. I am currently incorporating plans into my living room to incorporate a fireplace wall, which it will actually go on this wall right here. So I just feel like I have several focal points in the room, such as the fireplace wall, which is not here yet. And then I have my new chandelier, which I absolutely love, but it's competing with my access mirror on the wall as well as my wall vases on this particular wall. So I'm just going to make some changes and see how it turns out. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I have prepared the chair for storage and it is out of the way. This is how the space looks now. So I'm just going to take one of my accent chairs and move it over to where the chair was and kind of make it symmetric with the coffee table. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this is what it looks like so far. As you can see, I took the accent chairs and I have them across from each other. I have the coffee table vertically. The wall vases, they are still on the wall for now, but these may be coming down sometime soon. And then I took the sofa and I pulled it up a little bit. It was against the wall, so now it's no longer pushed up against the wall. As you can see, there is now space behind the sofa and the wall, maybe anywhere from 2 to 3 inches, just so it could be a little closer with the accent chairs. Okay, moving on to the cleaning portion of this video. I had no intention to be on my hands and my knees cleaning. However, now that I have rearranged the furniture, there is a lot more of the baseboards exposed, and I can tell that they really need to be clean. They actually need to be refreshed with paint, but in the meantime, I'm just using some Clorox wipes to wipe my baseboards down. Moving on to other surfaces in my living area, I am just using some industrial cleaning glass cleaner to clean my tables. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So now that I have finished with the glass surfaces, I am moving on to the wood surfaces, which is basically my entertainment center. And I am using the method good for wood to wipe the entire entertainment center down. And then I will go in with the spray away glass cleaner, and then I will wipe all of the decor that is located on the entertainment center down. Moving on to the furniture, I am just using one of my smaller attachments on my LG Cord Zero vacuum to pretty much get all any lint or dust or dirt off of the furniture surfaces. Okay, now that the furniture is dust free, I am going to move on to the floors, and I always like to sweep first just to get in the crevices and the corners of the floors. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so now I am going to go in with some extra strength Arm & Hammer carpet deodorizer, and I just basically place this on my area rug just for some added freshness in the room. And then I will go in with my LG Cord Zero and vacuum the entire space. And to clean the area of my living room where my luxury vinyl is located, I am using my Bona spray mop. It cleans the floors and gives it a great shine, and is safe for tile, laminate, or in my case, luxury vinyl. Hi, lifestyle lovers. So I hope you enjoyed the clean and not really the decorate with me, but me kind of rearranging some things in my living area. But I just wanted to kind of, jump on camera and just have a chat with you guys and discuss some of the changes that I'm making. As you've seen in the clip that I just recently changed out my light fixture in my living area. So prior to this chandelier being installed, it was a fandelier. It was, very glam, very kind of blinged out, but I never ever used the fan during the time that I had it. Probably the only time that I would use the fan is maybe if I was cooking something in the kitchen and it got a little bit too smoky in the house, and then I would kind of turn it on so the air would circulate. As you can see, I'm a glam girl. That will not change. That's pretty much, the style of my home. In most cases, you want to have a focal point when you enter a room. So this is, of course, a focal point. This is the first thing people see when they walk into this room, and this is kind of like the wow factor. This is the Axis mirror from Z Gallery. Absolutely love this mirror. I have been looking at it probably for a year or two before I actually purchased it. But this is the Axis mirror, and then I also, have some wall art along this wall, along with some wall vases. So now that I have a chandelier that kind of hangs lower than what I had before, they're all competing. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. So as you come into this area, you have the Axis mirror. Now we have my chandelier, and then over here I have where my wall art along with my wall vases. So what my plans are is to basically put one piece of wall art on this wall, and pretty much over here is obstructed by the lamp, so the wall art will probably be about 75 inches. That'll cover probably from right here to right there. And of course, this is where the fireplace wall will be. So that was really one of the reasons that I kind of switched some things around in here, because I just felt like I had to kind of take some stuff out. So that was one of the reasons why I kind of took the chair out, and you know, just to kind of simplify it a little bit. But I know once I get the fireplace wall up and once I make the changes that I'm planning to make in the kitchen, everything will flow. But I kind of panicked, you know, once it was installed, and I looked, I'm like, wait a minute, this don't look right. You know, but in design, we don't get it right, you know, all the time. So, you know, dealing with design and designing our home, we don't get it right all the time, and that's okay. So I just wanted to kind of share, you know, the thoughts that I was having with you guys. I know sometimes when you have like a glam style, it can get a bad rap, you know, as being tacky, as being cluttered. You know, just like with any other style, some people feel, you know, that neutrals are boring and kind of sterile in a home. So you have to kind of execute it to your liking. You know, everything is not for everyone. So that's why I always tell you guys, you know, you have to create the lifestyle, you know, that you love and that you want. It's maybe different from someone else's lifestyle, you know, but it's your life, you have to live it. So I just want to kind of touch bases with you guys on that. So that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure that you're subscribed so you won't miss any of the upcoming changes, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.